Lights up Downsview. Welcome back to my vlog, guys. I'm here at Downsview Park for the there's an event here where I got something on the mail. It's called Light Up Downsview. So it's an actually it's a drone show. So but right now it's raining. I don't know if it's gonna proceed or not, but guests are coming, cars are coming, and they're setting up the place for the event. So I hope that those drones are waterproof. So hopefully it will proceed, because it's my first time to see a drone show. This is the site where I think the drones will fly. So it's an alternative for fireworks. It's more environmentally friendly than using fireworks now. It's 5 degrees and it's really chilly because of the rain. So hopefully this thing will proceed as scheduled. See the cars, the guests are all coming. See all these cars line up. Look at all these gadgets. They're still setting up. So there's some complimentary Tim Hortons coffee here. There's a ambulance just in case. Okay, just keep on coming. Ooh, it's freezing. And because it's windy and chilly, I need to go to this portalet. While waiting, I'll grab some coffee after this. There's a free light sticks once you come to the entrance, so they glow in the dark. See? Cool. They just keep on coming.
By Northcrest, Luminato, and North York Arts. Sorry about the light rain. Just wanted to let you know that Tim Hortons is just finalizing setup the complimentary hot chocolate. They should be ready to go in about 5 minutes.
So they had the coffee, but there's no coffee cup. We're still waiting for the coffee cup. Ooh, my hands is freezing. I hope there's a hot chocolate for my son. So it's not coffee actually, it's a hot chocolate, so that makes it more better. Ooh. Ah, so good, hot chocolate, Tim Hortons. Set up on the ground right now. They're all scattered and lined up there. So in a few minutes they're all gonna fly. I guess they're all waterproof. Look at all those people waiting.
So without any further ado, Katharine Harvey will light up the Downsview sky.
Whoa! There you go. you for watching, guys. That's it for the drone show for tonight. And well, it's amazing what those drones can do in the future. So it's not bad. Free hot chocolate and good show. Time to go.